these are for you.
Hello everyone, it's another beautiful day that we have today. I want to welcome you to this channel with Rachel Faraja. You are at home. This is where we do delightful kitchen matters, and I want to really welcome you to today's video because we are going to be making something so nice. Ice cream. You must have seen this from the title of the video, but it is ice cream with a twist because we are going to be putting a fruit in it. So do we call it fruity ice cream or just mango ice cream? But I think this is just going to be such an amazing recipe to make. And one of the things that I'll be taking you through is to understand how ice cream forms together and why we need to do what we are doing. First of all, ice cream is very airy, and what causes that air is the whisking. Actually, the whisking that comes when we are preparing the whipping cream. When we whip in the air inside, that is what causes the fluffiness in the ice cream. The other thing that makes it not really crystallized is the sweeteners. We are going to be using condensed milk today. Actually, I showed you how to make condensed milk in my last video. Watch it right now because it is going to be forming the second ingredient of the day, and it's important because it can be used in so many ways, as you will see in the other video. So on to today's video. Welcome so much. Welcome my new subscribers. You're home with me today. I've just decided to come here, introduce myself a bit, show my face, because most of the times I'm always cooking and you're seeing my hands. But hey, I am not faceless. I am here and I'm very happy. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Tell your friend about it, tell your mom about it, tell your auntie, your daughters, your friends, everyone. Let's make this a community because we are going to be having so much delight just being here and getting to know me more, and I think this is going to be a beautiful journey. Let me stop talking. Let's go right into the ingredients of the day.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone needs someone who cares.
So at this point, you want to ensure that the mango puree is runny. It shouldn't be very thick. And I've now brought out my cold whipping cream, and the bowl and the whisks that are going to be used are also cold. This is important because if you put the cold whipping cream in a warm container, it affects how it forms together. Whipping cream only comes together when anything that touches it is very cold. So you actually put them in the fridge or you cool them. Just make sure they are not warm, whichever way. So I'm first whipping out this cream to just bring it up a bit. Then I'm going to add in the condensed milk, and from the condensed milk I will add in a bit of the mango puree. I will not add the whole of it. And we will also be adding a flavoring essence, a mango flavoring essence, as you will see in the upcoming bit. And then that will be it. We'll continue mixing it and folding. So I'll be alternating the whipping using the blender and using the beater and the spatula to just fold in as much as possible, fold in a lot the air so that the ice cream can be of a good consistency.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just
So for the second bowl, I'm going to make a sundae. And a sundae is just an ice cream where you have incorporated more fruit. So the fruit is going to be on top. I'll take a fork and just swirl it around, or is it whirl it around, making just some patterns that they can be seen once the ice cream is frozen. And you can add more to your liking. It's just that I felt that the mango was too sweet and I didn't want it to be overbearing. And then that will be it. So I'm going to store this in the freezer for about 12 hours. Then it will have formed well and will be ready to enjoy. the next day. The ice cream has frozen well. So to make sure that you don't get resistance when scooping, you dip your ice cream scoop in hot water. That's what I've done with mine, and that's why the ice cream is so easy to get out. A tip you can always apply even to store-bought ice cream, and you'll never struggle having to really use a lot of force on this. As you can see, guys, this ice cream is so nice. It was smelling so beautiful. It tastes better than any store-bought mango ice cream I've ever bought. I'm not lying, guys. You try this and thank me later for this video. Remember to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that when I post this amazing stuff, you get notified and you don't miss it out. Thank you so much.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna